Welcome back to another After Work special. My name is Garrett, and this is Mojo Manufacturing. This weekend I went back home to work on my engine again, and this is my dad right here. He's the one that does all the research and finds all the parts for everything. But this weekend we got to put in the camshaft, and this was kind of fun actually, just to put in. This is the only thing we really got done because, as you'll see, we ran into some problems with some parts we ordered, specifically parts from eBay. Now this thing was a little bit rough to get installed just because it's so long and you can only put it in one way, and those journals right there where the bearing rides on are, it's such a tight clearance that it just takes forever to get in. The guys on TV make it look so much easier. But we got the retainer in there for the camshaft, and we were getting ready to put on the timing sprocket for the crankshaft, and it connects to the camshaft, and that sprocket is the new one. That sprocket is supposed to go all the way to the back face. That's the old sprocket, and it goes all the way to the back face of the crankshaft, and that is an issue. So now I'm back in the shop and I have this sprocket here, and we decided to go and just order another one, order one that's not from China, basically. This one is really nice. Why we got the one we did from eBay is because both sprockets were basically made from billet. Usually this one is made, this is the crank sprocket, and it's usually made from billet steel, and the other one, the cam sprocket, is made from cast iron. So that's why it was very cheap, and that's why we really wanted to get that one, because they were both billet steel. That was the why for getting the Chinesium timing sprockets and chain. So I thought it would be cool to have a aluminum titanium nitride 4-flute 1/4-inch end mill, and I was like, wow, that'd be really cool to actually cut this steel with. So this, I would imagine, it's flame hardened. You can see how it's flame hardened around there. So I would imagine it might be like a 1045 or maybe a 4140 steel. Either way, harder than anything I've cut before. I cut the 1018 and that wasn't too bad. That was with an uncoated end mill. I'll put this in the vise, clamp it down, and see if I can mill out the inside here. I mean, just take a super light cut. First off, I just want to see if I'm capable of doing that. I mean, this is a scrap piece now. I'm not going to send this back. And I just want to go around the inside here and see how close I can get to making it to the size of this sprocket, which is the original that came off of it. And I think we'll go from there. I want to do that this week. Right now I still have the fixture set up on the Tormach for the short throw shifters, and I have one more of the second operation, and then we'll have 6 total of the new short throw shifter kits for the Ford Fiesta. And I'm going to finish that up, and this week I'll take that back off, put the vise on, and we'll get after it. So that's why I'm going to do this, just mill out the inside just to see if I'm capable of doing it. After that, we'll go from there. Thanks for watching.